Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this very tasty naan filled with keema and cheese. In a large bowl, take some warm water, add sugar and yeast. I'm using instant yeast today, but you still need to activate it. Give it a stir and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes in a warm place. After that, it will look like that. This is exactly what you're looking for. If your yeast doesn't look like that, then you have to redo it again. Now add all-purpose flour and salt. I'm using a wooden spoon and I'm gonna start mixing it. And then you can definitely use a machine to do that, a standing mixer, but I'm gonna use hand today. Now I'm adding yogurt and butter. And I'm still using this spoon. After all the flour comes together with all the ingredients, now we are going to put the butter on the working surface, add some dry flour, and now we are going to knead the dough by hand for at least 5 minutes. And then the dough will look like that, very soft, and it is a very easy dough. It doesn't stick to hand or anything. We are gonna put this back in the bowl, cover it for an hour at least, or until double in size. And now you can see how my dough is looking. Press it down a little bit and then put it back on the working surface. We are going to divide this. I'm going to divide this into 8. You can definitely do smaller than that. Then you can do 10 pieces, 12 pieces, or bigger than that you can do 6 pieces. So I'm just gonna do 8, and then we are going to take each pieces and roll it into a little ball and set them on a side. Cover it for 10 minutes. Now take one ball at a time and put some dry flour. We are going to roll it into about like a roti size. Now fill with keema. I didn't make any video for keema, but I already have a recipe for keema. You guys can check. Spread some cheese if you like. You can just do a chicken as well instead of ground beef. I'm using ground beef today, but you can use only cheese as well, just to make it a cheese naan. And now it's easy for you to brush this edge before you put the filling in. It's very important. This egg wash will help the dough to stick and not to fall apart and not to come out as we fold it. And now tightly we are going to fold it until the end, very tightly. That is very important. And that's it. Now you can press the edges. And then we are going to add some dry flour on top, because we are going to roll it into a little long log, and dry flour will help. Now start turning it, twist it into a naan shape, and then press the edge in the bottom so it will stuck underneath and not come out. And then we're gonna do all like that and set it on a tray. And this is how it looks like. We're going to do everything like that, set it on a tray, and then brush with egg wash. Sprinkle with some sesame seeds and some fennel. And now it's time to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, keep the dough covered. And after that, after baking, this is what you're looking for. This is a very nice naan, guys. Give it a try. A written ingredient is down below in the description box, or recipe on my website, lailascuisine.com. For now, bye-bye.